Welcome to October at Ozarks Technical Community College. We held our annual fall picnics back in September, and we had a mixed bag of weather for the picnics across the OTC system. We had some bluebird days and some soggy skies, but it was still all fun. Don't believe me? Check out this look back from video producer Austin Barton. At the Table Rock campus picnic, Hollister Mayor Lamar Patton and City Manager Rick Ziegenfuss presented Chancellor Hal Higdon and Campus President Rob Griffith with a proclamation. The occasion? The Table Rock campus opened a decade ago in the fall of 2013. Congratulations on 10 years in Hollister. The entire OTC system has been around for more than 3 decades, and one of the most important days on the calendar every year is College Development Day, which some of you refer to as the Bacon Breakfast. You mean bacon on the plates, not Amy Bacon, but Amy was one of the speakers. She talked to everyone about the foundation and the importance of our donors. Dr. Higdon gave his annual State of the College address, and the keynote speaker was Board Chair Paul Sundy. Mr. Sundy is the first and only OTC graduate to serve on the college's Board of Trustees.
And we have to figure out what is that next level of education. Is it telling or is it teaching? Is it finding what a person's why is? You have to find out what's their why to go to OTC. I can tell you what mine was. I can probably tell you what Amy's was. For most of us, our why is because they wanted a better life.
Paul was one of the golfers who teed it up at the annual OTC Foundation Golf Tournament. 156 golfers comprising 39 teams hit the links at Hickory Hills. This year's tournament raised $50 grand for student scholarships. Since 2007, the tournament has funded 212 student scholarships. If your athletic endeavors lean more toward cardio, the college has an event for you on October 21st. The annual Physical Therapist Assistant 5K starts at 5 and winds its way through the hills and trails at Richwood Valley. Afterwards, stick around for chili, s'mores, and hot chocolate at the Fall Festival. Proceeds benefit the Physical Therapist Assistant Scholarship Fund. When our students graduate, we hope that they can find jobs, but we don't wait for them to finish their studies. We introduce them to potential employers before they graduate. A few dozen local companies set up in the high bay space to court our students from drafting and design, mechatronics, automation and robotics, precision machining, and welding.
For this event, success means that our students have learned about the tremendous amount of opportunities in our region for local manufacturing employment. We have a lot of career opportunities available to them, high demand, high wage jobs that they don't realize whenever they walk through our doors. So this puts it right in front of them and they get excited about what their future holds.
That's going to do it for this month's Around the College. We leave you with some photos from the fall picnics. Enjoy, and until next time, I'll see you around the college.